guys, today we will be making a really cute Christmas deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. Now I do have this 16-inch wreath ring with the Chanel stems attached. This was purchased at Hobby Lobby and not Dollar Tree, but I do have videos that I will link in the description box showing you how to make a wreath form like this and attach your own Chanel stems, which the wreath form and the stems can both be purchased at Dollar Tree. But I'm just going to use this one today. I have the green deco mesh with the red stripes. I have solid red and I have solid green. Then I also have some red and green ribbon. The green is 5/8 inches in width and the red is 7/8 inches in width. Then I have these really cute red mini ornaments. Also, I have some scissors. And don't forget, it's always a good idea to have extra deco mesh on hand because you never know how much you're going to need and you don't want to come up short right at the end. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is stand all of my stems upright, because that's just going to make the process that much faster. So a roll of red and a roll of the green stripe, and I'm going to layer the green on top of the red. And you can just do green on green if you prefer. So I have it unraveled slightly. I'm going to curl the ends to a point, just like that. I'm going to find my first stem, and I'm just going to use an outer stem and twist it 2 times, just like that. And then you see it's kind of like facilitating a nice loop. So I'm just going to pull a nice amount. Then I'm going to place it down in the next stem and twist it 2 times. We are going to add more, so that's why I'm only twisting it twice. So you won't have to work that hard later to untwist it. Downward like this and make another loop. And this is just what we're going to do all the way around the ring. And when you come to the stem you started off with, you're just going to make another loop. Unravel this, place this piece down, and then twist it back. And then you can keep going from here, but I'm just going to cut it. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the inner ring. So the same thing I did on the outer ring, I come back to my first stem, untwist, place this loop down, and then twist it back. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm going to cut more deco mesh of the green and the red into 8-inch long pieces, and I'm going to place them on the stems. Alright, so I've cut my deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I cut the green striped and the solid red, and what I'm going to do is just curl at a slight diagonal but not a full diagonal. So slightly curled but still like an elongated curl. I'm just going to scrunch them together. Then you just go to a stem, unravel, place your deco mesh, and then twist it back. So again, I have it curled, elongated curl to both pieces. I'm going to alternate which color I have on top. So red is on top here, I'll put green on top here. Place it down and twist it back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of my stems. have all of our pieces in place. It looks so cute. I just have one red and one green in each section. You can add more or less, completely up to you. Now we are going to use our mini Badabra and add in cute little bows so we can add just a little extra touch just to make it something different. You could definitely finish it off here because this looks so cute and adorable already, but just to add a little extra something. So I'm going to take a small piece of bow wire. Normally I would fold it in half and double it up, but I don't need to do all of that because it's just going to go on the stem. If you prefer, you can still do that. And I have a piece of red and a piece of green, both 11 inches in length. I'm going to take my red, it's thicker, so it's going to be on the bottom. I'm going to scrunch, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Make a loop, and do the same thing with the other side. And then estimate the center and scrunch that down as well. It has like a measuring tool on the Badabra, so that's pretty neat, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to take the smaller green and do the exact same thing. Place it down, scrunch, and place it again. Estimate the center, just like that. So I'm going to bring both pieces and I'm going to tie it in a knot. You see how it kind of flares when you tie it. And I tied it again on the front because I want to take one of my cute little bulbs and then just thread it in the center like that, and then come around to the back and tie it a couple of times just like that. You can cut off the excess because we won't need it, but this is what it looks like. And you can kind of, like I was telling you earlier, kind of flare it out a little bit, and it looks like that. I'll show you one more. So these look so cute and adorable. I'm going to go ahead and get them all made, and then I'll start placing them on the ring. The amount you use, completely up to you. You can go with every single bundle, or you can do every other one. So completely up to you. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of my cute little bow bundles here, the bow and ornament. So now I'm going to start placing them on the wreath. And all that I'm going to do is place it down. Take the Chanel stem and twist it. And then I'm going to go ahead and tuck it away. Flare this out, do whatever I'd like. I'm just going to get these placed. So I believe I made like 14 of them. You can do every other if you choose to do so. So I have everything in place. It's looking so cute and precious already. I'm going to kind of separate my two layers. So that's what it's looking like. It's so cute and precious. So I also found this adorable sign at Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so cute and perfect for this wreath. So I'm going to use 4 Chanel stems to anchor it in place. I'm just going to cut off the top little hanger. First thing I'm going to do is actually hot glue this closed. So next I'm going to take my Chanel stems, twist them together, and it's going to go right there, and then twist it again And this is going to go at the bottom. Okay, and now I'm just going to hot glue them in place. Right, just like that. And this part has dried as well. Last thing we have to do is attach this to our wreath. Just going to kind of move everything on the wreath out slightly. Just push it over. I came over to the stem and just looped it around. Just like that a couple of times. And then I come to the other side and do the same thing. Twist it around the stem a couple of times. And this is why I use Chanel stems that coincide with my color scheme, because sometimes they are visible. Go underneath this loop and attach it to the ring. And last one. So I have all 4 stems in place. I'm just shaping the wreath around my center. It's so cute. It says "Sent us elves, see everything." So I ended up using only 4 rolls of Deco mesh, 2 of the solid red and 2 of the green stripe. I did not use any of the solid green. So I had extra Deco mesh, but I did not have to use it, which is completely fine with me. Have fun with it. You can do larger bows, larger ornaments, real candy canes. It's completely up to you. But I think this looks so cute, and all items were purchased at Dollar Tree.